And so this excessive complimenting came off as phony in the Dutch experience. And I think it is similar for more languages than just Dutch, but being careful about what we understand in the North American context to be supportive and motivational needed to be toned down, in fact, for other languages. And it's not because we want to reduce motivational cues, it's because we had to do it in the right context. So instead of "you're a rock star," "you're great" was much better. Or instead of "I rock," "I work hard" was better. And that was kind of a hard pill to swallow for some of our, dev team members who were like, but that's not what we're trying to convey. Well, we can keep it in the English context, but we do have to be a little bit more sensitive